Hi guys, welcome back to my channel What Chelly Says, and today's video is all about makeup basics. And when it comes to basics, the first thing that comes to anybody's mind is foundation. So today I'll be showing you guys an easy, quick and effective technique of applying a foundation. For my foundation application, I'll be using my PAC Beauty Blender, which is in this particular shape. And as I'm using a liquid foundation, I truly believe that using a makeup sponge like this gives you the best finish like whatsoever. It gives you such seamless natural finish that you cannot get by any brush or by fingers. Beauty blenders or beauty sponges are a blessing to makeup lovers. I mean, it makes the foundation application so easy. The foundation is so easy to blend, and also when you apply foundation using a sponge, so it evenly spreads all of the product onto your skin, and you'll not feel that there is excess foundation present onto your skin because it absorbs all that extra product onto the face. And also it gives you really natural finish. It will not look like that you are having a lot of excess product onto your face. It will absorb it all and give you really seamless natural finish. And another point is that you can easily build up the coverage of the foundation. So if you want to go for the second layer of foundation, you can easily build up coverage, and the look will not at all look cakey, and it will be like totally seamless, very natural, and really flawless. So that is the best part about the beauty sponges. Now without any wait, let's quickly get started with the foundation application using my PAC Beauty Blender. Firstly, soak the dry beauty blender into running water. Once you are done straining all the water, you'll see that the beauty blender is expanded and it is taken the shape like this. Now that the sponge is ready to use, it is really important to prep and prime your skin before applying the foundation, because one, it is winters and your skin needs moisture, so you apply a good moisturizer and a primer before applying a foundation. For the moisturizer, I'll be using my L'Oreal White Perfect Cream, and for the primer today, I'll be using my L'Oreal Base Magique Primer. In the foundation, I'll be using my favorite L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade Radiant Beige. Take some foundation at the back of your hand and start dotting it on your face and neck area. Now take the flat end of your blender and start pressing the foundation into your skin in the dabbing motion like so. Make sure you're using the sponge only in the bouncing motion and not wiping it on the face. And if you're doing this for the first time, take your time and keep on doing the drill till all the foundation is nicely blended. So this is how the first layer of foundation looks. If you want to build up the coverage, you can add more foundation and repeat the same steps. Now I'll quickly add some compact blush kajal to complete my look. So yes, this is the final look guys. I hope you enjoyed the makeup basics video. Do let me know in the comments below if you have your own technique of applying a foundation that works the best for you. I will be glad to know. And also keep watching my channel for more such videos because I'll be making more videos on makeup basics. So do watch my channel for upcoming videos, and for that you have to subscribe my channel, so please don't miss out on any updates from me. So do subscribe my channel, do like and comment and do such stuff on other videos of my channel. So till then, bye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.